Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is the setup from last night on GJ. We have a beautiful, nice consolidation. I expanded the area. This is a very large zone, but there's too much choppiness in between to try to make that zone tighter. Could have been made here perhaps, but again, then if it breaks down below, you got to contend with all of this, and that's just not very clean or very clear. So based on where price was on the weekly, on the daily, I told the team keep an eye on the fake out, okay? Because it's his likely position. It is in a likely position to fake out. And I sent out the operation in the 1 hour, but I'm looking at the 30-minute because the 30-minute created a breakout coming up. Here you go. Here it is. Created a breakout right there, kinda, right? I mean, can you call that a breakout? That's a tough breakout if it is a breakout. And then this is what happened following, which creates the fake out. If you look at it in the 1 hour, this is what you have, a complete fake out, no entry on a retest. But I know that some folks might have taken the retest after that breakout. It really calls for a fake out. And so I put here a loss in case, again, somebody entered on a limit order, or I mean, I don't know how somebody would have time for a limit order on that because it's so tight, but it could have happened. Okay, it could have happened. I know that some of our team took the buy and had to close at break even or a small loss on that, but then they also took the fake out, which provided a beautiful 2 to 1. No, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. That's what it was. 1 to 1 here. Yep, there it is. 1 to 1. For about 29 pips or 35 pips, which is the max that it gave. Following that, we went to gold. We've been watching this gold for a while now because it's been consolidating for a long, long time also. Expected the breakout to be explosive, and this is what we got. We got a breakout. We have a retest right there and a continuation for 67 pips or 670 points for a beautiful 2 to 1. Very easy. Actually, this was very easy because it gave us not even any drawdown whatsoever. GJ was a little tricky if you were looking to catch the retest. It was easy if you were expecting or anticipating or waiting for the fake out. Let's move on to the NASDAQ for what happened this morning. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the open of the NASDAQ. You're going to see here in just a minute. It's not open yet. There it is. There's the open. And it starts pushing up immediately. Notice that there isn't a little wick to the bottom. It immediately started moving up. There is an area of supply that is marked out on my trading view. And I'm watching this going up and I'm thinking it wants to go over there. That zone is 20 pips away. And I'm just wanting to see what kind of reaction does it have when it gets there. I'm really anticipating a reversal from there, but I'm wanting to see it. I want to see what it actually is going to do. And I'm kind of thinking that this candle may close bullish up there, and then perhaps the next one will be red. But however, it immediately starts rejecting, which could have been a good entry given that it was at supply. But again, it is the open, and you never know what's going to happen on the open. It could be that the volume is going to push right through supply because today is the day when that's what happens. So I'm just waiting. But I'm thinking at this point that it is rejecting hard. As soon as I see that this is rejecting strong, I am going to jump in and get in. That was the high of the day. So I'm looking to get in. There it is. I go in. And I might have been in drawdown again, 3 pips or something like that. Not even 3 pips, not even a pip or something like that. And immediately got paid here for almost 12, not quite 12 there. Eventually, it would keep going down, but notice how this then jumps up. In fact, for a moment there goes above the green line, and that's the kind of thing I don't want to do where I am scalping. I hope that you're finding this beneficial, and I hope that you have a great rest of the day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.